Good morning, everyone. I wanted to show you guys about the website mathfactcafe.com. And it's a really good website that I've used. You can do basic facts, which is good for you can decide what facts you want to do and how you want to make them. You can do the add subtract if you want to work on multiplying. We've been with the arrays, we did 2s, 5s, and 10s. You could probably add 1 and 0 in there to work with multiplying with them. You can do the add, subtract, combined and up to 20. But one thing that I wanted to show you guys in module 7, which is what in Zearn you should be working through module 6 and on to module 7. It is going to be doing with money, and then you're going to be doing telling time. So this money worksheet that I wanted to work with you guys, you can do these coins, and you can even, so I just went and I just did the find the total value. If difficulty, I did the easy, and then I just generated a basic worksheet, and it just has them counting the coins. They can write how much each coin costs, 25, 5, 25, 5, and I would even recommend starting with the biggest ones, 25, 50, and then doing 60, 65, so that they're counting from the biggest value down to the smallest value. So these are some good worksheets on counting money for them to do, and that's one that I highly recommend that you work with is counting money, because that's part of module 7. And then when we get to module 8, you'll start be doing telling time, and we've been working on morning work on telling time to the 5 minutes. So you could do the time increments. You could do the draw hands. I'm going to put both right here so you can kind of see how to do that with mathcafe.com. And then it tells you the time. And one thing that I've told them is that the shorthand is the hour hand, and then the longhand is the minute hand, and you start counting by 5s at the 1 for the longhand. And then when it gets past the 6 for the minutes, it's in between, and then that's how they know. So it's probably very similar to how you guys learned how to count time. But the 2nd grade standard is counting time to the 5 minutes. So that is another resource for you guys to have, the Math Fact Cafe. And I highly recommend you printing these out. You can't necessarily do these you'd have to print them out, but they are great worksheets, and they do have games and stuff that you guys could do, but they're great worksheets. I've used a lot of the worksheets with them, and I just highly recommend this website. But I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope that y'all take full advantage of this free resource, mathfactcafe.com.